All right, Mark, Revolution Slider has changed, and so I'm going to go and walk you through the steps that I took to produce this new slider. All right, so we go to the back end, we go to Slider Revolution, and then we're going to duplicate one of the slides to kind of use as a template. The way that works has changed. So this is probably what you got hung up on. All right, so I'm just editing any old slide. It doesn't even matter actually what you pick. You just kind of need to start from one. Now that I'm here, I'm going to go to Add Slides, and this is how I duplicate something. I go Add Slides to Import from Template. We go to Own Modules, and then Home Slider is the only one that we have, so easy to pick one. And then you can kind of go through and just pick whichever slide you'd actually like to copy. So just for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to copy this one. Okay, hit that plus sign, and that's opened this slide, this new copy of the slide. So from here, what I can do is change this background. So global settings for a slide are actually found in this upper right-hand dude that looks like a bunch of slides sort of stacked over each other. Here, we'll go to background and then go to media library. You've already uploaded the photo, so I'm just going to grab that. Okay, cool. So that's there. I'm just going to click save to make sure we save that. And then from here, we're already in slide options, so I'm also going to change the link as well. So I hit tags and link, and then if you scroll down, you'll see this URL. That's actually where you can change where things link to. So I'm going to go to our slide copy. I'm going to grab the link that you sent me. Okay, I've got that link. I'm going to paste it in there. I'm going to hit save again. And now I'm going to change the actual copy. So we've got our headline here. So I've double clicked to get into this area. I'm going to click save. And I'm going to copy this stuff. Scroll down. And replace this copy about the field. Cool, and this is shorter, like less copy, obviously, so I'm gonna just shorten this box and kind of move this up a little so it looks a little more proportionate. Great, so we've made our changes, we've updated our link, we've updated our background. Now we can just save, and then if you want to sort of rearrange where this is in the slide deck, if you go to this sort of slider button up there to the full modules page, you now have this option to view all of the slides in a slider here, and you can sort of like restack them and kind of change how they pop up, basically. You can also update the name of the slides as well. So I'm going to change this to EPCF knows, because that's what your headline is. Yeah, and so that's how you update things now. You still can unpublish things by like hitting this little eyeball button. So I'm going to go through and just hit the eyeball button on some of these extra sort of demos that I've created for you, because we do not need them. Okay, cool. All right, unpublish. Looks like we've got a number of just blank ones in here. I have a feeling that you might have maybe made those while trying to reproduce a new slide. Makes total sense. Okay, cool. So we've got those unpublished, so we don't have extra versions of that. And here's another extra version. Scroll this down here. Cool. So we should be good to go now. All right, great. So our new change should be showing up here on the home page. You can check that out. All right, and we're looking good.